Sorry YouTube, I'm trying to get my camera adjusted. Boom. Alright, now I gotta go wash back and wash my hands. Alright, we got 2 Cajun burgers. So, we're gonna get some fried green tomatoes, some Cajun sausage. Got to get the egg wash for the fried green tomatoes right there. This is my version of a Cajun burger. Alright, let's get these fried green tomatoes. Let's get 2 good sized ones. Got one right there. There we go. Alright, we're going to put them in the flour. Egg wash. From the egg wash, drain it off a little. Put it over there in the panko. Over here in the panko. Put it right there. Alright, we're going to take these. Alright, now we're going to get some of this Cajun sausage down. There we go. That's a Cajun sausage that we're gonna put that egg wash back up. Two buns. Boom. Boom. Let me get some grilled onions. Then what we do here, take some of that Uncle Tony's, put it on the onions. That's how we do it right there. Got those onions. We're gonna get 2 fries. Look at those green tomatoes. Look at those green tomatoes, man. Oh man, it smells freaking. Ooh wee, you smell those Cajun seasoned onions. Got that sausage, some grilled sausage. There we go, look at that. Ooh, wee baby. Oh, wrong one. Chop that up and use that for some other stuff. Alright, we got that spicy mayo. piece of that crisp green leaf. Look at that. Look at those green tomatoes, y'all. Almost there. Gosh dang. Y'all just don't realize that smell that this. Ooh-wee. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Ooh, baby. Alright, we got these green tomatoes. Man, look at those. Watch how we put this burger together. You're gonna be like, that did it right there. I'm done. Give me that burger. I'm telling you, watch this. Watch this. You're gonna be like, alright. You got that pepper jack cheese, right? Okay. I'll watch this now. You can get some of those onions. Alright. You got those onions. Then we're gonna put that sausage right on top of that. Alright. Then we're gonna take the other cheese. We're gonna seal that in. We're gonna put that fried green tomato on top of it. Cool these fries in about 30 seconds. Look at that. God, oh boy, you know, you already know about that. Ooh, baby. Watch this, top off. Oh, with those spicy habanero pickles. Those pickles are gonna, you watch. These are sweet and hot, spicy habanero pickles.